Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed. In this lecture, I am going to teach you window menu in Adobe Photoshop. So what I do first I will come in menu and then I will click on window, and as you can see that right now it is showing me all the options of window menu. The first is arrange. So what basically arrange is, let's see. As you can see that right now I have just one document, and if I go in file and the definite file and new, and if I create a new document, as you can see that right now I have two documents getting me. So what I do, if I want to arrange this to document, so what I do, I will go in window and then I will click on arrange. In arrange we have definitely options, means how do you want to arrange. Definitely here we have the options. The first is definitely here we have tile. The most important is two up horizontal. So if I click on it, as you can see that right now it is showing me my two documents getting me in definitely in this way getting me. So let's say if you have two documents, if you have three documents, and if you want to see all your documents like this, so definitely with the help of this you can get. If I go in arrange, so here we also have the option for two up vertical. So as you can see that right now it is showing me my two documents in vertical getting me. So let's say if I'm working on this on this document. Now if I want to work on this document, so I no need to go in I no need to click anywhere, but just what I have to do, I will just come here, and as you can see that now this window or this document is activated. Now I can easily work on this document getting me. So definitely if you have two documents and if you want to see, or definitely you two documents, so definitely like this, so with the help of arrange definitely you can do. Definitely here we also have the tile. If I say tile, definitely this is also tile. And here we also have the option of three. Let's say if you have three documents, so if I go in file, if I go in new, and if I create a new document, so you can see that right now I have three documents, and if I want to see my third document, so what I do, I will go in window, arrange, and here we have the option of three, or you can say three. Definitely I have to go in three. Okay, three. As you can see that right now I'm able to see my all three documents getting me. So let's say if you are working on one document, if you want to see your all documents definitely like this, so with the help of arrange you can do getting me. So arrange is nothing, it just means that here we can arrange our definitely our documents getting me. If you want to see if you want to see one document, just go and just simply click on this cursor, definitely this cross, and you will able to see just one document getting me. Then what do we have next? We have the workspace. So what basically workspace is? Workspace is nothing. For example, if I talk about this, so for example, as you can see that right now I have my toolbox here getting me. At the left hand side I have my toolbox here. For example, if I talk about the layers, definitely layer panels are here. So let's say if I want to change the arrangement, for example, for me it is fine. For example, if I want to keep different panels like this, so definitely with the help of workspace I can do getting me. So workspace is nothing actually. Adobe is very smart company, so they know that if you are working in definitely 3D, if you are working on motion, if you are working painting, so definitely what panels or which panels are required definitely. Okay, so let's say that if I go in workspace and if I say essential, so definitely as you can see that right now it is showing me essential. And if I go in workspace and if I say motion, so you can see that right now it is showing me timeline, it's showing me histogram, is showing me this panel is getting me. So definitely Adobe definitely they know that, oh, okay, which panels are necessary for you getting me. So basically workspace is nothing, it's just the arrangement of your is the arrangement of the panels getting me. For example, if I like definitely if I like my this panel here, and if I like my for example my toolbox here getting me, so definitely I can also get. If I go in window and if I go in workspace, so I also have the option of new. For example, definitely as you can see that right now it is showing me some workspaces, but definitely these are made by definitely by Photoshop and Adobe. But let's say if I want my own, so definitely what I need to do, I need to just simply click on workspace and I have to give your name. So what I say here, naveedplace.com, and if I save, okay, period cannot be, so I say dot remove. Now if I go in window and if I go arrange, as you can see that right now it is showing me naveedplace.com or .com definitely workspace getting me. So let's say if I want to make my own workspace, what I need to do, first I need to arrange definitely my panels. Let's say if I want my timeline here, or for example if I like this arrangement, so I will go in window, array workspace, and here we have the option of new workspace getting me. And if I want to reset, for example, if I've done something wrong and if I want to do reset, so how can I do? I will go again a window, and here we have the option of reset. As you can see that now it's reset. And let's say if I go in essential, for example, if I like essential, definitely I will back, getting me. So it's totally up to you, okay, which workspace do you like, getting me. So for example, if you like essential, just simply click on essential and it will give you essential, getting me. And if you want to delete any workspace, you can also do here, getting me. So if anyone asks from you, say what basically workspace is, so workspace is nothing, it's just the arrangement of the panels, getting me. If you like this panel, if your panel like here, if you like any panel here, so definitely if you like this arrangement, so definitely this is called workspace, getting me. And then what do we have next? We have definitely a 3D. So if I click on 3D, so it will show me 3D panel, getting me. So what basically 3D panel is and how to use this, definitely you can better understand this if you watch my video on 3D menu, getting me. Then we have the option, or definitely option of actions panel. If I click on action, so you can see that right now it is showing me my all actions, getting me. So for example, if I do anything, for example, if I take another rectangle, so definitely if I go in actions, so definitely it will show me that now you have to select the rectangle, anything, getting me. So actions will do nothing, action does nothing, definitely. Action just shows that which thing you have done, okay, it shows just my actions, getting me. So if I want to see my actions, means what I have done, definitely what I need to do, I need to come in a window and I have to click on actions. So definitely action window with a panel will be appear, and definitely in action panels I can see what I've done. Then I have the adjustment panel. If I click on adjustment, so it will show me adjustment panel. If you don't know what basically adjustment panel is, so you should watch my video on adjustment. If you see FX, getting me. So definitely this is definitely if I talk about not arrangement, definitely here we have, definitely, as you can see that right now we have all the adjustment, getting me. So whatever you see here, definitely it definitely is just the panel of this adjustment, getting me. So if you want to see my video on adjustment, so you should watch my video on adjustment, definitely. So basically this is, if you come here, so here we have the option. If you go in definitely image, here we have the option adjustments, and if you come in window, here we also have the panel for called adjustment, getting me. So if you no need to, if you don't want to come, if you don't want to click any of this, so definitely what you need to do, you need to come in window and just simply click on definitely adjustment, and it will show you adjustment panel. If you don't want, just simply click again, it will not show. Then we have the brush panel, means let's say that if I take any brush, for example, if I go in toolbox and if I take any brush, as you can see that right now I have this brush, okay. So definitely as you can see that right now I have this brush, getting me. So for example, if I want to change the brush size of brush, so what I need to do, I need to just simply click on brush, and as you can see that right now it is showing me all the brushes, getting me. So if you want this brush style, any brush style, so you can get him. For example, if I take this brush, for example, if I go and if I take this brush, so definitely related to this brush, definitely options will come. And definitely as you can see that right now here we also have the option of definite size, hardness, and all the options, getting me. So basically this panel is basically for brush. Then we have the preset brush. For example, if you want the preset brush, for example, if you like this brush style, just simply click and definitely you will able to get this brush, getting me. If you want to change the style of this brush, you can also change, getting me. So what you need to do, you need to just simply click on any of the brush, just simply click, just change the size, and just simply click and drag, and you will able to use that brush, getting me. Then what do we have? We have channels. So what basically channels are? Channel, if you talk about channel panel, so channel panel will show us channel. We are not talking about TV channels. Here we are talking about definitely RGB channel or CMYK channel, or related to your mode, getting me. So right now definitely I'm using definitely RGB. What is RGB? Red, green, blue. You know that, okay, if we see blue color, for example, if we see red color, or definitely if you see any color, for example, if we see yellow color, if you see any color, so it's because of just this color, getting me. So for example, if you see any color, so definitely these are definitely that color is because of these colors, getting me. So let's say if I change the red for example value, if I change the green value, if I change the blue color, so definitely I get a new color, getting me. So for example, as you can see that right now I have this picture, or I should take another picture. So I will go in file, open, and definitely I will open new. Okay, so okay, this picture, double click. As you can see that right now I have this picture. Okay, and for example, as you can see that right now it is showing me RGB, means I'm able to see red, green, blue. For example, if I want to see that, okay, how my picture looks if I don't have art or red. So if I just simply click on it, as you can see that right now it is showing me this picture, getting me without definitely red. Let's say if I want to see my picture without green, so definitely as you can see that right now, getting me. So as you can see that right now, if we use all RGB, so that it shows me definitely normal picture, getting me. But if I off any of the color, so as you can see that right now it is showing me difference, getting me. So basically channels, if we come in channels, so it shows us definite channels means RGB or CMYK. So if we want to see how a picture looks without R or green, definitely we can see, getting me. So this panel is all about this, getting me. Then we have the character panel. Character panel is basically related to text. For example, if I take text tool and if I write here naveedplace.com, if I select this text and if I come here, so definitely I can change the size, I can change the matrix, means it is related to text, getting me. If I want to change the definitely letter spacing, as you can see that right now I have definitely, I can get. If I want to change the color of this, I can also do, getting me. So character panel is basically related to text, getting me. Then we have character styles, definitely same like definitely character. Then we have the clone source. So clone source panel is basically related to clone stamp tool. For example, if I take the help of clone stamp tool, so definitely if I, let's say if I just say hold down alter and if I click, as you can see that now I have this. So definitely related to definitely clone stem, definitely here we have the definitely clone stem, so definitely panel, getting me. So that you can go through by your own. If you want to understand that what basically clone stem tool is, so you should watch my video on clone stem tool. Then what do we have next? We have color. For example, if I want color, definitely here as you can see that right now I have color. So color panel is basically definitely color panel is basically for color, getting me. For example, if I want to select any color, for example if I like this color, I can do. Or if I double click on it, so definitely it will show me color picker, definitely window, and I can also pick color here as well, getting me. So if you ask for me, so I don't use color panel because here we have the shortcut. So what I do, I double click on it and definitely this panel pops up. That definitely I choose my color, getting, I pick my color here. Then what do we have next? We have definitely, this is also related to definitely text. For example, if you want any symbol or like this, you can get here. Then we have the histogram. Histogram is basically related to color. For example, as you can see that right now showing you definitely how much color or how much yellow, red, green we have, that is related to this. Not very interesting. Then we have definitely history panel. History panel is very useful because it shows a history. For example, if I do anything, so definitely it will show you. For example, if I take rectangle, if I go in history panel, so as you can see that right now it's showing me that you have used history tool, rectangle tool, getting me. So for example, whatever I do, definitely it shows here, and definitely we can use it definitely with the help of definitely history brush tool, getting me. If you want to learn more about history panel and history brush tool, so you should watch my video on history brush tool. Then what do we have next? Last we have the info panel. Info panel basically definitely shows the information about anything. For example, if I keep my info panel here and if I just move my cursor, as you can see they're showing me RGB means R value, G value, B value, P value, CMYK, X position, Y position, getting me. So info panel just shows the information about definitely our object, getting me. So definitely this was a lecture on definitely a window menu. Definitely remaining options we will learn in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.